Good day. Welcome to Learning Module in Health 9 Lesson 3. Our objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Describe the environmental problems in the Philippines. Number 2. Identify the different factors affecting the environmental problems in the Philippines. And number 3. Analyze the effects of the environmental problems in the Philippines. But before proceeding to the lesson, let's first have a pre-test. Multiple choice. Read the statements carefully and choose the best answer by shading the circles that corresponds to the statement. A 5-second music will serve as your timer. Number 1. Refers to the contamination of water in the environment. Your choices. A. Air pollution. B. Deforestation. C. Land pollution. Or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is number 2. Refers to the excessive noise in the environment. Your choices. A. Coral reef degradation. B. Cyanide fishing. C. Land pollution. Or D. Noise pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is number 3. These waste may cause diseases when inhaled or ingested. It may also destroy the ecosystem in the community once the soil is contaminated. Your choices. A. Air pollution. B. Land pollution. C. Noise pollution. Or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is number 4. It may cause suffocation or difficulty in breathing. Your choices. A. Air pollution. B. Land pollution. C. Noise pollution. Or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is and number 5. A pressing concern in the environment. Your choices. A. Deforestation. B. Illegal mining. C. Pollution. Or D. Soil erosion.
Make more time.
The correct answer is Can you still remember your last lesson? To check, here's an activity for you. Matching type. Match column A with column B. Write the letter of your answer on the blank before the number. So here are the answers. If you got the same answers, congratulations! Our lesson for today: environmental problems in the Philippines. The first environmental problem in our list: pollution. Pollution refers to the accumulated contamination of different settings in the environment, such as the atmosphere, water, and land. Let us now proceed to the first kind of pollution in our list: air pollution. Air pollution refers to the contamination of air in the environment. It causes harm to a person's health. It may cause suffocation or difficulty in breathing. The following are sources of air pollution: burning of fossil fuels, particulates such as dirt and dust, smoke from cars and factories, and smoke from tobacco. The next kind of pollution in our list: water pollution. It refers to the contamination of water in the environment. When polluted water makes contact with the skin or enters the body, it may cause diseases. Contaminants in water come from different sources, including the following. First, human waste and garbage thrown into bodies of water. Harmful chemical waste from industries. Washing down of chemical fertilizer from farms to rivers. And oil spillage from watercraft. The next kind of pollution in our list: noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive noise in the environment that may cause hearing impairments, stress, irritation, fatigue, and tension. Excessive noise in the environment may come from different sources, such as noise from vehicle, noise from electrical equipment, noise from people, and noise from construction and other industries. Let's now proceed to soil pollution. Land or soil pollution refers to the exposed waste on land. These wastes may cause diseases when inhaled or ingested. It may also destroy the ecosystem in community once the soil is contaminated. Illegal mining. Illegal mining is a pressing concern in the environment. Mining is a procedure done to acquire minerals from land. These minerals are used for different purposes. Mining is considered illegal when there is no permit secured from government authorities. The method uses equipment and procedures that will damage the environment and harm people. Illegal mining is harmful to the environment and people. The following are examples of effects of illegal mining. Illegal mining occurs in mountainous areas that are rich in minerals. These minerals are acquired by first clearing the mountains by cutting trees, and then breaking rocks and digging. All these can cause erosion and landslide. Illegal mining uses harmful chemicals and explosives to dig minerals. These substances may contaminate the soil and kill the plants and animals that live there. And chemicals from illegal mining may contaminate water. Let us now proceed to deforestation. Deforestation is defined as the clearing of plants and trees in the forest. It is considered a destruction of natural resources. This practice is done for several reasons. People clear forests for mining purposes. Deforestation is used so that land may be utilized for commercial or residential purposes. And people cut down trees to produce wood materials used to make different products. Deforestation has negative effects on the environment and people. First on the list, animals lose shelter without trees. Plants and trees are also sources of food for animals. Without plants, animals will eventually perish as well. Plants and trees produce fresh air. If forests are cleared, air quality becomes less healthy. Plants and trees serve as flood controllers. They absorb rainwater to prevent flooding. Deforestation can cause flash floods. Let's now proceed to soil erosion. Soil erosion is defined as the transfer of soil from one place to another. It may be caused by different factors. Soil is blown by strong winds. Soil is washed away by water. And soil is transferred to another place by humans. In general, soil erosion naturally occurs. However, when there is a large amount of soil displaced, it may pose a threat to the environment and the people. Erosion affects the quality of soil. Plants may not grow healthy if there is soil erosion. Soil erosion may clog waterways, and soil erosion may increase the possibility of flooding. Now, cyanide fishing. Cyanide fishing is a fishing method that uses a toxic substance called cyanide to kill and harvest aquatic animals. Cyanide is sprayed in the habitat of the fishes so that they will be stunned and easily caught. It is a destructive method that damages the coral reefs, which serve as shelter to aquatic animals. When the harmful substance is ingested, it causes disease to the animals. When fishes are removed from the ocean, it disrupts the food cycle. This causes an imbalance in the ecosystem and may lead to widespread animal death. Let us now proceed to coral reefs degradation. Coral reef degradation refers to the gradual destruction of coral reef caused by natural or man-made events. Damage to coral reef may be caused by earthquakes, hurricanes, or volcanic eruptions. However, degradation may also happen because of harmful practices of humans. Water pollution, fishing chemicals, and explosive cause damage to coral reefs. These are the actual images that shows the effects of coral reef degradation. Another environmental problem, oil spill. Oil spill is the release of petroleum in the water. It is caused by human activities. Oil spill is a form of water pollution. Oil spills are harmful to aquatic animals and people. Oil coats the surface of water, making oxygen and sunlight impossible to penetrate. Another environmental problem, the pesticide. Pesticide drift is a chemical substance used on plants to kill insects to feed on them. It may be applied by a person, a machine, or even a vehicle. Drift occurs when droplets of pesticide travel away from the target place. It may be blown away to the bodies of water. Pesticide is a toxic substance and may cause disease or death when ingested by humans and animals. Let's now proceed to global warming. Global warming, like carbon dioxide that are present in the atmosphere, trap heat near the Earth's surface. Heat and light from the sun enters but is prevented from escaping because of these gases. This phenomenon is called the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide is considered as a greenhouse gas. Below are examples of greenhouse gases, such as methane gas from vehicle emissions and chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs from aerosol sprays. When greenhouse effect happens, the temperature of Earth increases. This results in a phenomenon called global warming. Global warming causes a lot of impact to the environment and people. Global warming melts the ice in polar regions. This causes sea levels to rise. Global warming causes climate change. Climate change is a change in weather patterns across the world. In some countries, the season may be longer than others. This might cause discomfort, stress, or even diseases. To check your understanding regarding the lesson, here's an activity for you. Sum it up. Write the effects of the following environmental problems. So, how did this lesson affect you? To check, write a short reflection on the things you learned in this lesson and their relevance to you. Tell how you can apply what you learned in your daily life and cite specific instances in which you feel these learnings will come handy. To check how much you have learned from this lesson, let's have a post test. Multiple choice. Read the statements carefully and choose the best answer by shading the circles that corresponds to the statement. Again, a 5-second music will serve as your timer. Number 1 refers to the contamination of water in the environment. Your choices: A. Air pollution, B. Deforestation, C. Land pollution, or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is Number 2 refers to the excessive noise in the environment. Your choices: A. Coral reef degradation, B. Cyanide fishing, C. Land pollution, or D. Noise pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is Number 3. These waste may cause diseases when inhaled or ingested. It may also destroy the ecosystem in the community once the soil is contaminated. Your choices: A. Air pollution, B. Land pollution, C. Noise pollution, or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is Number 4. It may cause suffocation or difficulty in breathing. Your choices: A. Air pollution, B. Land pollution, C. Noise pollution, or D. Water pollution.
Make more time.
And the correct answer is And number 5. A pressing concern in the environment. Your choices: A. Deforestation, B. Illegal mining, C. Pollution, or D. Soil erosion.
Make more time.
The correct answer is I hope you learned something from today's lesson. See you!